Everybody should understand when it comes to social dynamics and dealing with people, the art of conversation is really just becoming comfortable, right? Like the things I do, they look like a miracle out there. They may be in relation to what other people are doing, but I'm telling you what it is. It's just being comfortable, this is how I sound when I'm talking to girls. This is how I sound when I'm talking to anybody, right? There's a respect there. They're seeing the person there in front of you, enjoying the idea of getting to know somebody. These are all the inner game stuff that people are missing. Instead of trying to do anything, right? You go out there and you give your best to the world. I mean, it's really interesting because it seems like there's gonna be some kind of like secret behind it. And the secret is just meeting people and knowing that, you know, you have something to offer, which is just even good conversation, good vibes, you could say. And then being comfortable with it and not resisting anything that happens. You know, the resistance you have inside to something happening or you're trying to do something, that's what creates that weird, awkward weirdness, right? It has to be comfortable. It has to be comfortable just like this.
And that's something I'm noticing that everybody's forgetting it's a real thing. It's a real genuine thing that's going on.
Yeah.
Like people skip over that first and they're trying to do something and trying to change what it needs to be. And that's something I get to witness.
You saw it tonight, right?
I saw tonight how every time you just allow things to be as they are, it's like this genuine connection that just naturally happens. And I notice other people watching it.
Yeah, it starts catching, right?
So people start changing around as it's happening. So
everybody calibrates to it.
Exactly. And that's just something I just really want to highlight for tonight. And it's just amazing to be able to be out here in Las Vegas with you, brother.
Right on.
See this next level of what evolution of just being social
Massive
dynamic.
pyro.
Man. No, it's the AZD.
That means something when he says that. That means something. It ain't no homeless person talking right here.
Yeah, man, this is AZD right here. And thank you everybody for in Las Vegas. You know what I'm saying? As far as AZD coming out here and just doing what he does best. So
IMC Nation, baby. Thank you, Master Pyro.
Thank you.
See you guys.